Hi, I'm Michael Haley with Aloe1.com, and if you're watching this video, you probably already know that our aloe vera is not like the aloe that you're going to find on a shelf in a store. And sometimes, in fact, I have two frozen bottles right here. Sometimes they even look different in the bottle. For instance, this particular bottle is a little bit pink, which is interesting because a lot of people don't like pink aloe. And then we have customers that ask us if we have any pink aloe because they like the way it tastes better. Now, this one, and if you're looking at it wondering why you can't see the bottles, it's because they're frosted. They are frozen. Our aloe vera is frozen. But what really makes us different, and the reason why these two bottles are different colors, is because we don't standardize our aloe. That is, we don't process it, really. We don't use diatomaceous earth or activated carbon because we're not decolorizing and deodorizing the aloe vera. We also don't put it through a pressure filter, meaning if you look at the gel, when you pour it into a glass, there's actually going to be little plant parts in it. You might see a lot of, well, you will see a lot of pulp, but you might even see little green parts and parts of the plant in your drink. We want you to have aloe vera in its true, natural, normal state. We also don't put it through any heat processes. That is, it's not pasteurized. And we don't add preservatives like citric acid or sodium benzoate. So what comes out of the plant goes through a grinder into the containers, and we freeze that, and that's what you get when you purchase the aloe. Now, sometimes we'll send it out like this, white, and it'll come back, it'll come to you pink. That is, if it starts to thaw a little bit during shipping, it might actually turn pink. And sometimes the pink aloe will actually turn white again. So we haven't quite figured that out. We know it's not going bad, but sometimes customers will get it. Like this particular one got this particular bottle of aloe, and it was pink. Now, I suspect it was white when we sent it out, and it probably turned pink in the mail when they got it. But, as always is the case, it hasn't. And the particular customer wasn't sure if it was good or bad or not. But when we get it back, we'll send it labels, and we'll inspect it. And because I want to make sure, I wouldn't want to be sending customers bad aloe. So we'll give it off in the taste test. And in this particular case, it's some of the best aloe vera I've ever had. And I can see some of the plant parts in there. It certainly does not taste spoiled. And it's nice and thick, just like it's supposed to be. So, if this is not what you want, if you want a nice, clear aloe vera, one that's been standardized, decolorized, and deodorized, and processed, we're probably not the right company for you. If you want a real thick aloe vera gel, the real thing as it occurs in the plant, then we probably are the right company for you. So I hope that helps.